What's the meaning of aioli? Aioli. 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 Aioli is a Mediterranean sauce made from garlic, olive oil, egg yolk, and lemon juice. It is typically served as a condiment with seafood, vegetables, and meat dishes, or used as a spread in sandwiches and burgers. The creamy, tangy flavor of aioli comes from the combination of garlic and lemon juice, which give the sauce a strong, pungent taste. The oil and eggs also help to thicken the sauce and give it a smooth texture. Overall, aioli is a versatile and flavorful sauce that adds a delicious kick to any dish.